Okay, today we're going to start with the next lesson, unit number 3, two friends. Okay, unit number 3, two friends. How friends help each other. Okay, when one friend is in trouble, how the other friends help. When your friend is in trouble, will you all help your friends? Will you help your friend? Yes, right. Okay, now we will see, we will read the story and find out how they both, how whether they help each other or whether they are not helping one another. Okay, we will read the story and then we will learn. Now I'm going to mute everyone. Okay, you will not be able to unmute till I finish reading the lesson. Okay. Okay. Hope all of you are able to see my screen. Just show a thumbs up if you're able to see. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Okay, this is unit number 3, two friends. Okay, can you see two men over here in the forest? You can see two men, right? We are going to read the lesson about these two men only. Okay, two friends, Rohan and Sohan, were passing through a forest to reach Mohan's house on the other side of the forest. Okay, so who were the two friends who were going through the forest, who were walking in the forest? It was Rohan and Sohan. Okay, to whose house were they going? They were going to their friend's house, Mohan. Okay, where is Mohan's house? Mohan's house is on the other side of the forest. Okay, so because of which they have to pass through the forest in order to reach their friend's house. Okay, so the two friends are Mohan and Sohan, and the third friend is Mohan. Okay, now talking to each other, they slowed down and did not realize that they had to leave the forest as quickly as they could. Okay, if you have gone traveled in the forest, okay, that is Bandipur forest, all these places, in order to reach the other side you need to travel through that forest, right? So they usually, you have a rule where you're not supposed to move in, I mean, you're not supposed to stay in the forest after a certain time. Okay, probably before it gets dark you need to leave the forest and go. Why? Because wild and animals will start coming out when it is dark. Okay, so they say it is very dangerous to stay in the forest when it is dark. Okay, but here what happens here, as these two friends, who were the two friends, Rohan and Sohan, okay, they were talking and going. As they were talking and moving, they did not realize that they have started slowing down. Okay, they did not realize that they had to leave the forest and walk as quickly as they could before the wild animals come. Okay, going under the trees, they suddenly heard thumping steps behind them. Okay, so as they were walking under the trees, forest is completely filled with trees, right? So as they were walking under the trees, what did they hear? They heard thumping steps behind them. What do you mean by thumping steps? Hard, with full force, some animal was walking and coming. That is called as thumping steps. Walking, putting your full weight and making noise. Okay, behind them. Though both of them felt there was someone behind them, they could not see anything. Okay, when they were walking, they could make out that someone is coming behind them, but then they were not able to see who it was. Okay, soon they saw a bear chasing them. So which was the animal that was walking behind them? It was a bear. Okay, soon they realized that a bear was chasing them. Okay, both of them were afraid. If any animal, leave alone a bear, even if a dog chases us, we get very scared, right? Okay, so what happens here? Here Rohan and Sohan, they get very scared once they see the bear chasing them. Okay, Rohan, who was the leaner of the two, ran fast and climbed a tree. Okay, so what happened here? Rohan, who was the leaner. Leaner means he was very thin. Okay, so what did he do? Because he was very thin, he was able to run fast. So he quickly ran and then he climbed the tree. Okay, there were not many trees of the type this hefty Sohan could climb. Okay, so Rohan is the thin person while Sohan was a fat person. Okay, so since Rohan was thin, he quickly ran and he climbed the tree, but this was not possible for Sohan. He could not run as fast as his friend, nor could he climb the trees. Okay, moreover, he didn't know how to climb a tree. Okay, not only he couldn't climb, but he also did not know how to climb a tree. Okay, as Rohan had already climbed the tree, there was no help from his side. Okay, so because his friend, once Rohan sees the bear coming, what did he do? He quickly ran and he made sure that he was in a safe place. He did not think about his friends, right? When a dog chases us, this is what we do. We also run as quick as possible. We leave whoever is coming with us, we leave them to let them run and go, and we run and first go to a safety place, right? Okay, the same way here, what does Rohan do? He also he runs, and he did not, since he already had climbed the tree, he would not climb down again to go and help his friend. So he could not. So Sohan could not get any help from his friend Rohan. Okay. Realizing that he had to help himself, Sohan stood and thought for a moment. Okay, so once he realized that he's not going to get any help from his friend, he starts to think, what should I do in order to escape from the bear? So he starts thinking. Okay, he remembered that he was earlier told that if he was still and made the animal think that no living being was before him, bears would go away. Okay, so he remembers that his parents told him before. Earlier means probably in a few days back, his parents had told him, if you're being attacked by a bear, all you have to do is just act as if you are dead. Okay, don't breathe or don't run, don't do anything. Just lie down and act as if you are dead. So what will the bear do? It will just come, it will start sniffing all around, it will start smelling whether the person is alive in front of it, and then if it is a dead person, the bears would not attack that body. Okay, so this is what he remembers, what when he does not have any help from his friend. Okay, he laid down and pretended as if he was dead. Okay, so what does he do? As soon as he remembers that his parents had told him that if you lie down and act as if you were dead, the bear will not do anything. It will just come, sniff, and then it will go off. Right? So he just lies down on the floor or on the ground, and then he acts as if he was dead. Okay. His parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Okay, so what did his parents tell? His parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Anything that is dead, the bears would not come and attack them. Okay. The bear came up to him, sniffed Sohan's still face, and thinking him to be dead, it went away. Okay, like his parents had told, the bear did come up to Sohan. It comes and then it starts sniffing. What is sniffing? You do that, no? When the dogs come, when they find something, they go and sniff, they put their nose to that thing and they start sniffing, right? The same way here, even the bear also, it comes and then it sniffs on the still face of Sohan. Okay, once it sniffs, it thinks that Sohan is dead and then it goes away. Okay, so till here, what did you all understand? Who were the two friends who were going? Who were the two friends who were going to his friend's house? It was Rohan and Sohan. Okay, Rohan and Sohan were the two friends. And to whose house they were going? They were going to their friend's house, Mohan. Okay, Mohan is the friend's house to which place they had to go. How they had to go? They had to cross the forest. Okay, they had to cross the forest and go. Okay, So what happened as they were walking in the forest? They were talking and walking. When we walk with our friends, we talk with our friends, right? The same way they were talking with each other, and they did not realize that they had slowed down. Okay, as they were talking, they started walking slowly, and they did not realize that they have to quickly leave the forest and go so that they can be safe. But by the time they had realized that it was late, they heard thumping sounds behind. That means with heavy steps, some animal was coming behind them. Okay, but when they turn back and see, they do not see any animal because it was dark. Okay, but soon what did they see? They see a bear chasing them both. Okay, so once a bear started chasing them, what did Rohan do? Rohan was the leanest or the thinnest of both of them, right? When compared to Sohan, Rohan was very thin. So what did he do? He quickly ran and he climbed up a tree and he was safe. Okay, and but Sohan, since he was a little fat, he could not run quickly and climb the tree, right? So he also knew that he will not get any friend from his friend Sohan. So what did he do? He had to think of something, right? He had to make a plan so that he can escape himself. Okay, so what he does, he starts thinking, what should I do so that the bear does not come and attack me? So what does he do? As he was thinking, he remembers. What does he remember? He remembers that someone had told him that if he plays dead, okay, that is, if he acts as if he is dead, the bear will not come and attack him. Okay, so he remembers this. Who told this? His parents had told him. Okay, his parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Okay, the same way he acts, he lies down on the ground and then he acts as if he is dead. So when he does that, what happens? The bear comes and then it sniffs Sohan's still face, and then it thinks that no, this is a dead person, and then it walks away. Okay, now moving on to the next page. When Rohan saw the bear going away, he climbed down the tree and asked Sohan. Okay, all this, Rohan sitting on the tree top, he was watching what was happening, right? Okay, so once he sees that the bear is walking off, what does Rohan do now? Now he comes down and then he asks Sohan. What does he ask Sohan? What did the bear whisper in your ear? Okay, so Rohan thinks that the bear came and said something to Sohan. So he asked, what did the bear whisper in your ear? Okay, so what does Sohan reply? He said to me, never travel with a person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. Isn't it good? Replied Sohan. So what was Sohan's reply? Sohan replies that the bear told me I should not travel with a person who's not going to help me. When I really needed your help, you did not come and help me, right? So indirectly, he tells Rohan that the bear told me not travel with a person who is not going to help me or who's going to just leave you behind when you actually need the person's help. Okay. Hope all of you like the story. Now I will Okay, now you will be able to unmute yourself. Hope all of you understood the story. Now I will ask questions, and I do not want everyone to unmute at the same time. Only the children or only the child that I'm going to ask, only that person should unmute. Okay, now first. Okay, now the first question, can I have Rafael Patrick, only Rafael Patrick to unmute? Okay, Rafael Patrick, I want you to unmute and turn on your video. Yes. Rafael Patrick, can you tell me what were the names of the two friends? The names of the two friends.
1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. As we react to them, the reaction will be like very humble.
I told only Rafael Patrick to unmute. Please, the others, please do not unmute. Otherwise, I'm not able to hear what he's saying. Yes, Rafael, can you tell me what were the names of the two friends? Yes, tell me, ma. What was the name?
Rohan
Very good. Rohan and Sohan. Okay, so what was the two? What were the friends' names? It was Rohan and Sohan. To whose house were they going? To whose house? Very good. They were going to Mohan's house. Yes, they were going to Mohan's house. And in order to go to Mohan's house, how did they go? They had to walk. They had to walk through
Forest.
Very good. They had to walk through the forest. Okay. Yes, they had to walk through the forest. Okay, now next, can I have Kritanya to unmute? Yes, Kritanya. Okay, now as they were walking, they did not realize that they had slowed down, right? They did not realize that they had slowed down and they heard a thumping noise. Which animal was chasing them?
Bear.
Very good. It was bear. Yes, very good. Okay. When they turned and they saw that it was a bear that was chasing them, who ran and climbed up the tree?
Rohan.
Very good. Rohan went and climbed up the tree. Why? How was Rohan able to climb the tree?
He was very thin, ma'am.
Very good. Because he was very thin, he quickly ran and then he climbed the tree. Okay, next, Shamalin, can you answer? What plan did Sohan make?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
So he did not.
Will you send in WhatsApp, ma'am?
Yes, I will be sending you in WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, Shamalin, can you answer now? Once Sohan realized that he's not going to get any help from his friend Rohan, what plan did he do? He started thinking what he has to do, right? So what did he do in the end?
To dead.
Yes, what did he do?
He was acting dead, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Dead.
Yes. Okay, so he remembers that his parents had told him if he acts dead, then the bear would not attack him. Okay, so when he was acting dead, when he lies down on the ground and then he's not breathing also, okay, that is how you act dead. So when he's doing that, what did the bear do? Okay, what did the bear do?
He snipped his face, ma'am.
Yes, the bear comes and then it sniffs the person, right? It sniffs the person and then it says, and then he thinks that the person is dead, and what does he do? He goes away, right? Okay, just give me a minute, ma. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, yes. Okay, so what did the bear do? It comes, it sniffs Sohan's still face, right? He was acting like as if he was dead. So once the bear comes, sniffs Sohan's still face, it thinks he's dead and then it goes off. So once the bear is walking away, okay, Varun, can you tell me what happened after the bear walked away? What happened?
Get up and run up.
Yes, Digant? What happened after the bear walked away? The bear comes, sniffs Sohan's face, and then it goes. Yes, Yadu Vishnu?
He runs, ma'am.
Who runs?
Rohan and Suman.
Rohan and Sohan, they run off. They don't run. What happens? After the bear comes and sniffs Sohan's still face, what happens? Rohan, who was watching all this from the tree, he climbs down. Very good. He comes down. And then what does Rohan think? Rohan thinks that the bear came in, it whispered something in Sohan's ear, right? Okay, so because he thinks that the bear came and whispered in Sohan's ear, he comes down and he asks Sohan, what did the bear tell you? Probably he must have thought, I missed that opportunity, right? Okay, so what does he ask? He asks Sohan, what did the bear tell you in your ears? Okay, so what was Sohan's reply for that? What was Sohan's reply for that? Sohan says, yeah. Okay, I'll tell you. What does Sohan say? Sohan says that the bear told him, don't travel with a person. Okay, never go with a person who's going to just leave you behind and run off. Okay, when you actually need your friend's help, your friend, what did he do? What did Rohan do? He just left him behind and he went and he was safe, right? So he says, he tells him that the bear told me that I should not travel with a person who just leaves me behind when I actually need his help. Okay, but did the bear really tell this to Sohan? Did the bear? No, the bear did not tell.
No, ma'am.
Very good. The bear did not tell. But Sohan himself, he says that this is what, because sarcastically is what he's telling him. Okay, he says because Rohan had left him and he had gone, so Sohan puts out probably his concern or his anger towards his friend. He says the bear just came and told me that I should not be traveling with people like you who just leave me and go off, and I actually needed your help. Okay, so that he's just putting it out in a very polite manner to his friend. Okay, did you like the story, children?
Yes,
Yes, you'll understand the story.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You'll understand the story. Do you all have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.